Ready to have some fun?
I am ready, yes, yeah, I'm ready, okay. I'm Brian Mims, and I am the principal and designer for STUDIOBKM. I love a home that reflects a lifestyle and soulful feeling, and for me, that should happen the minute you walk into a space. Light is so crucial in a space, so the goal was how do we bring in as much light into the home as possible. So the big picture window overlooking the lawn, I think helped to bring the outside world in, and it's always nice to have pops of that kind of color throughout so the eye makes a continuous loop around. So I wanted to do things in the space that honored the tradition of kind of beach living, cottage vibes, but to elevate that. So you would almost create this serene respite, and that was my goal. And I think I tried to express that in the material selection, the idea of things being natural. So I utilize oak, there's a use of marble throughout, Caesar stone, things that feel natural and welcoming. We've designed a custom wall-mounted sink that I absolutely love. It's in a Nero Marquina. And then under it, to bring in a more natural materiality, is the floating oak shelf.
Why is it important to have authentic, real, valuable textures?
I think you can feel it. You know, it's one thing when you see something in a photo, but when you actually get to touch something, or there's a dimensionality that happens with linen as opposed to something that's flat. And I think it's something that I learned in my career in fashion. Having worked with Calvin Klein and Donna Karan for many years, it's almost like the lifestyle of how do you build something that tells a story? How do you bring emotion into a space? When you're dealing with a smaller space, it's even more challenging to make sure that every detail is considered. And sometimes the best jewels are the smallest ones. So I wanted to make sure that in designing the home and laying out the home, that everything was thought through from top to bottom. And for that, I feel that this is a jewel. It's a little jewel by the sea.